to call on stage Orville Xpressionz and the Xpressionz crew. Give them a round of applause, please. Clap them up, clap them up, clap them up.
Dancehall of me everything. Dancehall of me everything. Dancehall of me everything. Jungle is silly bounce, every bad man and every dog say I agree with the boss, say you don't say you look better than Beyonce. Y'all a pray on me, everyone in a dance say me a the oxygen for your lungs, let us breathe in a tongue. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start.
Good night, Kingston Night Market. Now, we're going to do a little history lesson, right? We're going to take you back to independence. The music that took us independence. Who know that music? What's the name of that music? Ska. The music that took us into independence is Ska. Drop it for me. And then around 1966, we got a new song called Rocksteady. Drop it. The sound of the great Alton Ellis. Ladies, show them the movement.
Better get ready.
Rock. Hey,
and do rocksteady.
Move the waistline. Alright. Hey.
You got to do this new dance.
Hey.
You are ready.
Bust the box. Bust the box.
Just like
I'm show them the original.
ready. If you don't know, just shake your head, rock your body line, shake your shoulders, everything in time and sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Low, don't stop it. Let's play it low. But remember the days, for those who know, you'd have some man with them called the Spain. And the Virgin never used to roll up them pants foot in them tracks and show them diamond socks. See? And them ever walk with them called Spain walk with them muscle.
Do this new dance, just like Freddie. You got to do it.
And them muscle. And if they ever drink it, them just put it under them arm and give one again.
Your shoulders, everything in time and see. Oh, 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 oh.
Pull up. Now, out of Rocksteady came what we call vocal liberation. The song that told us about standing up for your rights and equal rights and justice. We go to the sound of reggae and easy skanking. Drop it. Easy skanking. Watch it. Watch it. Easy skanking. So step behind them. Watch it. Easy skanking. Easy skanking. Over here. Watch it. Over here. Now, dancehall came about as a more radical music. No longer would we hide behind subliminals in the music. We were going to speak directly. So we are now at the age of dancehall. And dancehall, where dance is concerned, original dancehall is very instructional. So we could drop the first instructional dancehall move. Drop it.
Now this one is the original move.
Run my side.
This one called
The Dynamite move.
Follow me, no man.
Who know this? What's on now?
Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Each and every year you have a new style. Come on. One time down was water pumping. Then them come with cool and early jump up. It don't buy me. Fling with that 18. We want some new style. Just want everybody listen. Come and follow me. What we call it? The Della move. To the Della move. Come crowd of people come get in and they go. The Della move. The Della move, come count the people come getting on the road. Point your one like you're pointing for someone. Move your foot and turn it in a fashion. Just wriggle up your body and get in on the motion. Show them Della move, yes, it and the champion. The Della move, to the Della move. Come crowd of people come getting on the road. The Della move, to the Della move. Come crowd of people come getting on the road. The Della move, to the Della move. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Come getting on the road. You see them not need money.
We have to show them, say, you have some of the Spain gargan they used to want dance and do them thing. Drop the next track for me.
Now this one dedicated to all the boss, them who jump up. Dedicated to all the man, them who wake up and push up. And dedicated to the girl, them who no mother. Take a miss a cat because you come from my shit up. Anywhere you go, it's a feel and pull up. Listen, miss a cat because it's well dangerous. Miss a mud up italic and italic and italic. Miss a mud up italic, it a rip up a market. Miss a mud up italic, it a the latest lyric. When we come to the place and take up the mic and flick for your lyrics. Miss a if you think I lie, you want some outlaw manics. Oh man, listen, miss a cat and me no talk and miss. You know muffin, miss a cat and me a chemist in a this. Me no use half a watch, me no work with switch. And this a DJ, you can't start circuit. 88 and 89, me say me know me a be rich. And up and baby, you spell on me satellite dish. Me say mud up italic and italic and italic. Me say mud up italic, italic.
No. Are the budget rich? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you something. Back in the day, because Jamaica was kind of divided by politics in the 80s, most of the parties, the men didn't dance in the middle. The man them find a sound box to lean upon or a fence while them do this. And them wait for the woman them for walking. And this is the beat from you hear it. You know the females are forward. Drop it. Hey. Hey. Give me the one. Hey. Alright, go so. Hey, go so. Hey. Rock and come in. 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 Now when the woman them in the party, see? They must show you how them can move them waistline. See? So here we go now. When we want to dance, we go over and touch them on the shoulder, go back to where we're standing, and then we call them over. But here we go now. The women like the men with bow leg. So even if you don't have bow leg, you have to fake it. So you have to walk over to them like this. Here a one touch, and you step back to your corner, and you get the 2-finger icon. Now when she go forward over to you, she go use a dance called slide and wine, because she want to check 2 things: if you look good and if you smell good. So she gives slide and wine and go so. She slide and go so, and then she slide over. She start the thing called water pumping. Because she realizes you look good and you wear your big wheel or your old spice. You know them something, right? But then you whisper in her ears and tell her, say, another water pump you want. You want a thing called cool and deadly. The renter tile, you go so. Then she slow it down and hear this. Professor again. You're gonna put one hand on your shoulder. If it's stay, you're in luck. When you put the next hand on your shoulder, you're sure say you're in luck now. So you're going for the king. Pull up, pull up. Original dancehall style. Original dancehall style. Now, dancehall dance became very popular in the 90s with the emergence of a general who we consider our dancehall godfather called Bogle. Bogle showed us, Bogle showed us that dance can take us internationally. Before, dance was what we call extracurricular in school. So we are now going to pay tribute to the dancer who helped to put dancehall dance on the international stage. His name is Gerald Bogle Levy. Drop it.
Oh, not them.
New style.
All right.
And style can't spoil. All girls and jump and shall go for a while.
Sparta, show them the waistline move. The bumps. Go so. Go so. Put the hand at the ear now. Show them down in here, man. World Series. Go so. Round there. Round there. Show them the lava lava now. Lava. Lava. Show them the advance now. Go so. Bounce. 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 Pop your color. Go so. Pop your color. Pop your color. Show them the back to basic now. Back to basic. Back to basic. Back to basic. Zip it up now. Go so. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Again. Go so. Zip it. Zip it. And in the ear again. Bogle dance. Up there. Pull up. If we are going to talk about Gerald Bogle Levy, we have to talk about the queen of dancehall who gave us dancehall fashion right around the world. This is the first and maybe only female that performed in Cuba to 25,000 people as a single dancehall female. Her name is Carlene, the dancehall queen. And this is this dance that she made very popular. Drop it.
That's a new style when the girl them like.
Chrissy,
All the girl that get the butterfly. Listen to
show them how the butterfly goes. Do you catch the new brand? Butterfly, butterfly.
Machine up the whole district.
Hey, hey, hey. Driving.
All the young girls why
Show them.
do the butterfly.
woman.
Go now. Butterfly, 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 butterfly. Go so. Butterfly, butterfly. Instruction now, instruction. Open out your foot like a ride, you the ride. Lock your knee. Glide. One on the left and one on the right. Hey, hey, hey. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. But no, say you're the butterfly queen now, innit? So you can do a head top butterfly and all the kind of butterfly. So are we jumping into the instructional part of it now? Wherever you're standing, you are going to follow us with some of these moves if you're able to. Drop the first track for me, please. Now, before we started to take one, we used to sit and start signal it before it actually was possible for us. Yeah, man, make it join trouble. So you're going to help me now to first call the plane and then we signal the plane. So just put your hand in the air like this now. And you're going to call the plane for me now. It's simple. You do this, you go so. Call the plane, call the plane, call the plane, call the plane. You're putting up both hands now because you're going to signal the plane now. And in the ear. We're going to show now. Put on your parachute. Go son. Parachute. 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 This one is your foot now with name Chaplin. Go son. Chaplin. Chaplin. Next track right away.
That's it.
This is called Nolinga and Sweet. Go son.
Make me do the linger, then sweep. Everybody in here do the sweep. Make me do the linger, then sweep. Alright, everybody to the left, then sweep. Make me do the linger,
Then sweet.
everybody in here
To the sweet.
make me do the linger,
Then sweet.
alright, everybody
Move around with it now.
sweep. The linger. One of the baddest dance out the street. Show them how to read the linger, then sweep. Just move your feet, and if you know the dance, alright, see you do it.
Right away.
The dancer get the people.
Wherever you're standing, we're just going to rock the world now from side to side. Go on. It's called Rock the World. It's called Rock the World. It's called Rock the World. Ready? Rock the world now. What's up? Rock the world now. What's up? Rock the world now. Rock the world now. What you swing now? Rock the world now. What's up? Rock the world now. Rock the world now.
Shakespeare dance it a rocky world. Rocky world and take a rock girl.
Rock.
Enough of them a fight
Pull up.
the title.
Right away. Pull up. For our international people here, this name Fling Your Shoulder. But for the international people, for understanding, it's called Throw Your Shoulder. Like throwing your shoulder. That's what we're doing here now. We're actually throwing our shoulder. But in the Jamaican vernacular, we say fling your shoulder because it's very aggressive. Drop it. All right. Go so. Go so. Go so. Are you ready now? Go so.
Man shoulder for your flick, get out. Get your shoulder for your flick. Listen.
Never stand up? No. Okay.
Man shoulder for your flick. Get your shoulder for your flick. What's the word to a scene?
Shoot them.
Man shoulder for your flick. Dancers feeling cooler than another. If you fight that, me picking out the feather. Don't bad mind my brother when him a go up the ladder. Only man up, he go get the cheddar. If you not like that, hold them there, hold them there, hold them there. Hold them there, fully back to hold them there. Hold them there, 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 hold them there.
Next track right away. Is this the biggest song for 2023? Is this the drift? Hey, 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 hey. Gotcha. Oh no, move. Hey, stop. Again. Yes, I move to the right now. Drift. 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 Next track. Alright, pull up. Because this is our final track. Are you enjoying yourself? Yeah. Beautiful. So let me, before we go into the last piece, let me introduce you to the members of the team. This is Xpressionz, a professional dancehall dance group. This is Christina, we call her Mama Spice. Spicy. So far, she has represented us in Korea and Japan last year. And we have Sparta, Xpressionz, also supported us in dance last year and the year before, Korea and Japan. And now I introduce to you the First Lady of Dance Xpressionz, Shelly Xpressionz. When Shelly was in college, she did her thesis on connecting traditional dance with dancehall dance. And she has since toured 46 countries, 47 countries teaching dance. Not touring with anybody, teaching dance, yeah? Because there's no way we can speak about dancehall without talking about our traditional folk forms first, from the Kumina and Naya Bingi and all the things coming up. So this is what we pass on. So we would like you to know that we are starting our dance classes, and we will be at 11 Oxford Road, jamming on the Oasis. It's a restaurant and lounge run by myself and Shelly, so please feel free to pass by. We start March the 3rd, and the classes are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. We have flyers handing out. You can give your information to that young lady standing right there in the white hat. And don't feel no way. Don't say you have two left foot. That's why we're here. We're here to teach you. Yes? So, my name is Orville. My name is Orville Hall. They call me the Dancehall Professor. I started her on tour. She gone more countries than me. I gone 44 teaching. And it's a beauty to just see how people embrace the Jamaican culture outside of Jamaica. So we need the Jamaicans here. Papa no color. They love us. We're a big deal. And part of the reason they love us is because we're so authentic. We smile from the heart. So, yes. Please speak to us when we're finished. This is the song that we use. Everything is about happiness and joy in dancehall. Drop the last track there.
Ravers slide. Everybody get ready, 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 ready. Everybody get ready, 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 ready. Cool, we work. Wine pan a gal, park in a flop. Everybody bossa, 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 bossa. Dance, 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 dance. Everybody bossa, 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 bossa. Dance, dance. We are starting now. Everybody now. Relax, 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 relax. Stop for a second, let me find it, find it, find it, find it, find it, find it, find it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ninja wa, ninja wa. Who was saying chefs in my Jamaica? Ninja wa, ninja wa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. Stop for a second, let me. Same song. Stop for a second, let me. Same song, same song, same song. Ready now? Boogie bongs, boogie bongs, boogie bongs. Right hand drums, boogie bongs, boogie bongs, boogie bongs. Fine, here in our lungs. Funny one, funny one, funny one. Girl, jump funny, funny, funny one, funny one, funny one. When me tell them they are know. Shit, 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 shit. Just everybody bossa, 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 bossa. Dance, 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 dance. Everybody bossa, 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 bossa. Dance, dance, dance. All right, I'm a who she push a who te pinay. Be a poop them attack like for pinay. Say she want man the side and I get it night. Now start for the movie and let it night. All right, get it one, get it one, get it one, get it, get it, get it one, get it one, get it, get it, get it, get it. When your man, no tick tock, him to the yard. Right for one, right for one, right for one, right for one. Make it dog get back. Right for one, right for one, right for one.
Pull up. Give her a round of applause. Can you feel it? Do it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for having us. My name is Orville Xpressionz and Dance Xpressionz. Blessed love.
Hold on, Orville, you can't leave without your catchphrase though. Dancers.
Dancers! When I say dancers, you say boom. Dancers!
Respect.
Listen.
All right, give it up for Dance Xpressionz. Yeah.